When working at height, Miller Turbolite personal fall limiters provide increased mobility and freedom of movement, making them ideal for use in construction, utilities and warehousing. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. The Turbolite is a compact and lightweight, fully standards compliant, retractable fall arrest block that will arrest free fall within a matter of millimetres. Because Turbolite eliminates the need for different fall protection equipment when working at different heights, workers no longer need to switch out equipment to maintain a safe fall distance. It can even be used in a horizontal and foot level application if an overhead anchorage point is not available. The Turbolite has a 2-metre lifeline which retracts into the rugged nylon housing to eliminate trip hazards, and its built-in swivel also stops the lifeline from twisting. The lifeline attaches directly to the worker's harness back D-ring for greater mobility and versatility. The Turbolite is also available in twin configuration. And of course you can find out more by visiting all the W's, honeywellsafety.com, or calling Honeywell Safety Products on 1300 139 166. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.